Have you ever arrived at a campsite only to discover there's a fire ban in effect? Or spent half your trip dealing with propane canisters, weak flames, and bulky cooking gear? For a lot of campers, van lifers, and outdoor travelers, cooking away from home can be one of the most frustrating parts of the experience. That's where a product like this starts to get interesting. Today, we're looking at the Nestout Electric Outdoor Cooker, a compact portable cooking solution designed for campers, van life enthusiasts, overlanders, and anyone using portable power stations. Instead of relying on propane or open flames, this cooker plugs directly into a compatible power source and allows you to prepare real meals almost anywhere. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Nestout Electric Outdoor Cooker looks clean, modern, and purpose-built for travel. It doesn't feel like a kitchen appliance that was adapted for outdoor use. Instead, it feels like something designed specifically for life on the road. The compact footprint makes it easy to pack alongside other camping essentials, and the matte black finish gives it a durable, premium appearance. The exterior remains cool enough to handle safely during operation, which is a feature that becomes surprisingly important when you're working in tight spaces like a camper van or campsite table. The overall design is simple and beginner-friendly. There's no complicated setup process, no fuel connections, and no learning curve. The single control dial keeps operation straightforward, allowing you to focus on cooking instead of managing equipment. The non-stick cooking surface also adds convenience because food releases easily, and cleanup takes far less effort than many traditional camping cookware setups. In real-world use, the biggest advantage of this cooker is convenience. If you already travel with a portable power station, being able to cook without fire feels incredibly practical. Boiling water for coffee, preparing noodles, making soup, steaming vegetables, or cooking rice can all be done from a single compact appliance. The dedicated rice cooking mode is particularly useful because it removes much of the guesswork. Instead of constantly checking on your food, the cooker handles temperature management for you and automatically keeps food warm after cooking. Performance is best described as steady and predictable rather than fast and aggressive. With a 500-watt heating system, it won't match the raw speed of a powerful propane stove. However, that's not really its purpose. This cooker is designed for controlled cooking, efficiency, and convenience. For solo travelers or couples preparing simple meals, the heating performance feels appropriate. The operation is also extremely quiet, which makes it pleasant to use in campgrounds, RV parks, or peaceful outdoor environments. Another area where the Nestout performs well is maintenance. Since there's no soot, fuel residue, or open flame involved, cleanup is refreshingly easy. Most food residue wipes away quickly thanks to the non-stick interior. This may seem like a small detail, but after a long day outdoors, spending less time cleaning is something many users will appreciate. Of course, there are a few limitations worth discussing. The 800 milliliters capacity works best for one person or small meals for two. Families cooking larger portions will likely find it restrictive. It's also dependent on having access to a compatible power source, so it's not the ideal solution for every outdoor scenario. If you're traveling without a portable power station, a traditional propane stove may still be the more practical option. Compared with similarly priced portable cooking appliances, the Nestout stands out because of its outdoor-first design and dedicated rice cooking functionality. Many compact electric cookers are intended for dorm rooms or office kitchens, while this model feels specifically engineered for camping, overlanding, and van life. That focused approach gives it a unique place in the market. Overall, the Nestout Electric Outdoor Cooker solves a growing problem for modern outdoor travelers who want reliable cooking without fire, fuel, or complicated setups. It's compact, easy to use, simple to clean, and surprisingly versatile for its size. If your adventures regularly involve portable power stations and fire-restricted areas, this cooker could make your outdoor meals significantly easier. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.